Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this lovely pretty blue look. It's kind of dramatic but doesn't take that long, looks nice, and yeah. So I've been doing this look, I did it a couple of times and I've really enjoyed wearing it, but I want to try something new. So I thought I'd do this video, get it out of the way so I can try something new. So today all I've used is juvia eyeshadows. I've not used juvia in a while and I forgot how great juvia eyeshadows actually are. Silly really, because yeah, they're amazing. So first of all, we're going to be going in with the Zulu palette by Juvia, and I mean, look how pretty they are. If you want some colour in your life, you need this. And we're going to be going in with this, this teal blue here. It's like a teal sea blue colour. And we're going to just go over here and do those. And they are super pigmented as well, so they look great. I always find doing this eye is worse than that one. Like when I did that eye, it was like 2 dabs of the eyeshadow and it was like done kind of thing. But with this eye, it's like, ah. But I want to do this as well because recently my daughters have been watching my YouTube videos and trying them out, which makes me so proud. Like, they've been actually trying them out, and so I want to make them so they look nice and dramatic, but they're not exactly really hard to do. I mean, I know some people do them and you're like, what the hell? I mean, even I'm like, what the hell? When I see some people, it's like, it's amazing to watch, but it's like, with some of them, even I'd struggle at the moment. So I'm trying to make some that anyone can do. Anyone that can't do like normal eyeshadow looks can just dive in and just get it done. Have a go. And my daughter's like, one is like just turned 13 and one is 10, so they're like trying to do these eye looks, and it just makes me so proud that they're trying to do them. So yeah, so I'm trying to make them as easy as I can so they benefit too. We can do them as well. Right then. Now then we're going to be going in with the Magic by Juvia, which is this one. Loads of great shades again. And we're going in with this dark blue here. But I got wrong, so that's purple. See, when I first used this blue, I struggled with it. I couldn't use it, but then I found a way how to use it. So what I found to do with this one was I dab, but like a circular motion as well to get it in. Because for some reason, this colour is a little bit weird to use. But if I do it like that, it sticks. So, yeah. I'm no professional. Like I said before, I'm learning myself. So, yeah. When it's nice, it's like, I don't really wear full makeup all the time. Like, as if you watch my videos, you know I don't. So it's nice to have something dramatic on your eyes. Because I love being all out there with my eyes. So, yeah, I love it. And it's nice that my daughters are doing it. So, I love that too. But I mean, for some people you might still think, wow, she's saying it's easy, but it's still hard. But I mean, come on. I started doing my eyeshadows since Christmas. I don't know why I started wanting to do it, but I just did, and I've not done them all the time. You know, my videos do them now and again. And I am trying to upload more, get more videos done. But I mean, I haven't been doing it that long, and I'm getting better at it as I go along. Because what I do is I tend to do my eyeshadow every day, because I go out, obviously, go to the gym and stuff most of the time. And so I try different ones. But I always forget sometimes what I'm doing. It's like I'll do an eye look and I think, oh, that looks mint. And then I'll forget how to do it. I forgot how to do it. Like, So I'm doing this now because I like this one. And it looks nice and it suits me. how I'm doing it. And one of my daughters is like wanting to try it too, so yes. Right, now this is what's great about Juvia also, is I don't even have to cut anything away. I know I've left it up anyway, but when you watch this, this is amazing. So I'm going to go in with this colour here called Emoja. And I'm just going to take a little flat brush. And I'm just going to pat it on like that. And there's no water, there's nothing, there's no, it's not wet. It's just getting patted on as it is. And that's it. It's done. So I'm saying it's so easy. It's like they're so pigmented. I love them. Great. It's not that hard, is it? Come on. Now we're gonna pull this off. Right, and then I mean, before I did do this, I mean, I don't think you really need to use any concealer, but I did use concealer, so I mean, like, it just makes them pop a bit more, doesn't it, when you use concealer. Using mascara, it's just any mascara, really. And then I'm going to be using my eyelashes, which are by Violet Voss. I've used these so many times already. They're like almost dead, but I love them. I like to use them as much as I can because they're not cheap, are they? You know what I mean? Not really cheap. They're not the expensive ones, like, but they still cost money. So I like to use them as much as I can. Let's wait for that to dry and then I'll put it on. So, the glue waiting part is the worst bit, right? Actually, while we're waiting for that, because that's just, you know, I'm just going to show you some of these. And why I love this palette. I mean, that blue does feel like a bit powdery. Most of them don't feel that, they feel soft. I mean, if you want colour, you got colour. They are really stunning. I mean, the metallics as well, they feel really nice and soft and nice and shiny. And look at that. Wow, they're really, really stunning. I do recommend getting this palette for like your colours because they are amazing. I just made a mess of my towel now. Look how great that is. Rainbow towel. Yeah, I do love it. I think it's because like I got them and I just totally forgot about them. And I mean, they don't even really cost that much, do they? I mean, they're like £20 to £30 in the UK, and that for like a big massive palette with like loads of pans in is amazing. So yeah, sometimes you just push them to one side and you get new things and you just think, I'm gonna use this, and then I start using like Jeffree Star. I'll start using that for a while and I'm like, oh god, totally forgot I had these colours. So and with it being summer and everything, I've been like wanting to be more colourful. I've been wanting to be more colourful and try new stuff out, so. Right, so that same dark blue, we're going to just swipe under here. So saying, come on, look how easy this actually is. It doesn't even take that much time. And I'm gonna try and like do some more like eye looks that are easy but look really nice, because I love my dramatic eye looks. I just can't help it. If I go outside with like one that's not as dramatic, I don't feel right. So yeah, so I'm all about the eyes on this. So I'll keep doing them, try and make them easy as I can. Obviously I want to try and copy some people's, like try and imitate what they've done, and some of them are like quite hard, so I want to try that because I want to be more, you know, like out there and do that kind of thing too. I want to experiment, but I'm going to try and keep them as simple as I can so you guys don't struggle at all. So honestly, this is the easiest thing. It can be the easiest thing. And then we're going to go with that teal blue. I think some people are scared though, like to use colour or try it. Like with me, I've done eye looks where I've been like, oh my god, what is that? And I've just rubbed it off. I just had to restart again basically. But it's not hard, is it? That's why I do one eye first. I do one eye, and if it doesn't look like, it's like, no, I'm getting rid. One thing I will say about these colours, they do stain a little bit. So when you wipe this off, it's going to stain your eyelid a little bit. I mean, you know, it's not a big deal. It just stains. Not dramatically bad, but just a little bit. I've also done this similar look, but using Morphe eyeshadows as well. It's a little bit different, but I did have to cheat and use a Violet Voss as well. But I'm gonna do this one using those as well, but with Morphe and Violet Voss. Right, so with that nice Yemoja blue, like a bluey silver, I'm gonna just pop that in our corners. I mean, look at that. You see that, yeah? They're so amazing. No wetness. The brush is dry, and it just goes on like that. I'm not gonna swear then. It's amazing. I've got it on my face. Ugh. And then what I'm gonna do, I think then it's just for the top of my brow. I'm gonna go in with my favourite highlighter and just pop a little bit under there. My George one. Nothing spectacular here. Just gonna go in with Lustra. And just highlight that a little bit. And we're done. So, there you go. Dramatic, easy eye look. It's not that hard to do, seriously, guys. Didn't take that long either. So, yeah. Wear it with eyelashes or without. Eyelashes make it look more dramatic, I'd say. But you don't necessarily need to. So, if you liked this video and you want to see more of these, like, easy, dramatic looks, please like, comment, and subscribe. And please come back and have a look and check out my tutorials. I'm going to try and put on a lot more. It's just, you know, with the sun and the kids being off school, so it's kind of hard. But I'm going to try. So I will see you guys later.